No. Okay. Tell us all about your day. You did all that? No. Okay.
Is that a new way of doing hiccups?
I guess. Look at you. Look at you. Look at the fun girl. Look at the fun girl. I know. Ooh. What are we doing? What are we playing at here? Huh? You can't pull them apart. Uh-oh. You're just being a little Miss Funny Girl, aren't you? You're just being a little Miss Funny Girl. I know. You are. You are. Really?
What are you laughing at, Dad?
I know, you're fine. You're being fine. Playing with Daddy's fingers. Ooh. Ooh. A boop on the nose. Daddy booped you on the nose. Yes. A boop on the nose. You got the hiccups.